We'll guide you through how to create flame effect on text Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this clear instructional tutorial today, completely open Photoshop and safely create a new document directly with a pure black background. Select the standard horizontal type tool. Carefully change your text color completely to pure white, and accurately type your specific word exactly in the absolute center of the canvas. Go directly to your Layers panel, safely right-click on your active text layer, and accurately select Rasterize Type. To successfully create beautiful flames, we absolutely need to use the active wind effect. Since wind only blows horizontally here, safely go to the top menu. Carefully click Image, smoothly hover over Image Rotation, and accurately select 90 degrees clockwise. Your text will absolutely now be completely rotated completely sideways. Go straight back to the top menu. Carefully click Filter, smoothly hover over Stylize, and accurately select Wind. In the completely new Wind pop-up window, carefully set the method safely to wind and the direction perfectly to from the left, then firmly click OK. To successfully make the beautiful flames much longer, firmly press Ctrl+Alt+F to perfectly repeat the wind filter exactly one more time. Now, safely rotate your canvas back to normal by safely going to Image, then Image Rotation, then 90 degrees counterclockwise. You will clearly see bright white spikes actively shooting directly up from your text. To completely make the spikes perfectly look wavy exactly like real fire, safely go to the top menu. Carefully click Filter, smoothly hover over Distort, and accurately select Ripple. Carefully set the standard ripple amount completely to exactly around 100% and the size perfectly to medium, then firmly click OK. The beautiful text absolutely now has the completely perfect fire shape, but it is sadly still solid white. We absolutely need to safely add color correctly using standard blending options. Double-click on the flame layer to safely open the Layer Style window, and then properly choose Color Overlay. Change the color safely to an orange or red hue. For example, I will perfectly use the hex code FF4000 safely. Click the OK button to perfectly apply the color, and your white spikes will absolutely instantly completely transform, successfully creating a roaring, realistic fire effect beautifully on your perfect text precisely right now.